guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you all for pushing play and spending a little bit of time with me today. We got another Frodio, y'all. Listen, for the price point of these wigs, I am absolutely loving Frodio. This is not sponsored. These were not sent to me. I paid for all these wigs with my own coins, and I am absolutely loving not only the price point, but I'm also loving the wigs. I really am. Like I think I spoke on my last review. The only thing that I can say that I wish they would change is that you could choose your cap size. But I feel like that is the reason why the price point is kept so low, because it keeps down, I guess, maybe the manufacturing, because they don't have to do different size wigs. But you can always customize the wigs if you need to. If you wear wigs, then you already know you can get in there and you can stitch that cap. You can trim around the ears. You can make it work if you are familiar with wearing wigs, okay? But yeah, this is another wig by Frodio. Let's go ahead and open it up and unbox it. Sorry, y'all, I'm just over here doing the most. Like I said, you do get you can earn a $20 credit. You can also, it's hassle-free returns. They provide you with an email as well as a phone number. They give you an after-sale promise, all the things, okay? But this is what it is looking like. Nice presentation. Let's open it up. And they always send you a few goodies. Okay. I didn't get a scrunchie this time, but this time I did get a alligator claw. We love these. We love these. A wig cap. And they gave me a hair tie that does not have the metal on it. And you can never have too many edge brushes. Never. So definitely happy. Love it when a company gives you goodies. This is another braided wig. This one here. All right, so y'all already know I got to put on my glasses because I want to make sure I give you the deets. This one is going to be a Frodio Veralux Fiber Full Lace Boho Braids Synthetic Box Braid Wig. Grid part top with mixed boho curls. Price point right now is $119.99. Now it does come in natural black, brown mix, ombre burgundy, silver and gray, copper orange, and rooted honey blonde. Now they have two styles. I've already giving you the review here with the silver gray, and this was in the 30-inch square box top and boho curls. I did the one in the silver gray, and I also did the one in the natural black. This time I'm going to be doing a 24-inch triangle box top and water wave, and this is what it's looking like. And like I said, it's a natural black, so basically a 1B. So I want you to see what it's looking like. Those are the triangle braids. Okay. Let's get it out of here so you can see it. So you're going to have to trim your lace. And you see it does not match. You're going to also have to tint your lace, okay? But this is what it's looking like. Doesn't really have a smell, but you know, I always say co-wash your wigs anytime you get a new wig. But yeah, this is a 360. You can definitely wear it up if you like. It does come with two combs inside. It does have one at the nape, and it does come with the adjustable straps at the nape as well. And it does have the one that goes along the nape of the neck, another strap to secure it. Okay, but yeah, so it's probably got, so it does have braids throughout. Okay, it does have braids throughout, so I love that. But this is nice, y'all. I love this. So we're going to get this makeup on, what little I'm going to put on today, because it's all about the wig. It does have baby hairs, and I like that they give you a generous amount so you can adjust them accordingly to your liking. But yeah, I love this. I'm loving this. So all right, so let's get this makeup done, and we're going to come back and get this wig installed. We are back with a little bit of makeup on, and what I wanted to do before I went in and trimmed the lace, I just wanted to show you what I was talking about. I just took my little eyebrow scissors and cut slits. So I cut it to where it's in 3, just to make it easier for me to trim my lace. Okay, and I cut it back as far as I could. Y'all know your girl need to put her glasses on. So this is going to be real quick with me just giving you a little bit of demonstration, but I just wanted to cut it back as far as I could get it. you know, like right there. Okay. And then, like I said, when I said hold it tight, that's what I mean. I'm going to use this. If you want to use scissors, you can. But I'm just holding it like this. And I'm just going in, get the hair, baby hair back. And the only thing I'm doing is just going in and just, let me get it started, y'all. And I'm just going in and just doing this. And it's going to give me a jagged edge just because of the ridges in the brow arch. So I'm going to do one and let y'all see what I'm talking about. Because I want this to really look like I went and got my hair braided. Okay. So I want to get it as close. And now, and some people are just cutting the lace all the way off, but me, I'm not going to do that. I just want to get it cut back as far as I can, but I want it to have that little ridge. I don't want it to be like a blunt cut. So like that, you can see. So you see it is, or maybe you can see, I don't know. Let me put it on my wrist, probably be better. But you see, like that. And you really can't hardly see it because I cut it back so far. But I really wanted it to be, didn't want to just go in and just cut the lace. Okay. So I'm going to just finish this up. I'm going to go in with my toffee lace tint to tint the lace. And this is a 360. Like I said, it has the combs on each side. It has the comb at the nape. It does have the adjustable straps at the nape, and it does have the one that goes around the dome of the head. Okay, so you will definitely be able to wear it up. It has baby hairs in the back at the nape. Matter of fact, all the way around it has baby hairs. Okay, so you could definitely wear it up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, customize it, cut the lace, go ahead and tint the lace and everything, and then we're going to come back, install it, and we're going to get on up out of here. All right. All right, y'all, so we're back. I have pretty much did the customization. I went in, I tinted the whole cap since it is a 360. I went ahead and that's what it's looking like as far as the tint of the lace. Much better. I did go ahead and cut the lace as well. Adjusted my straps to my liking. And so let's get into this install. Like I said, that is probably the most work you have to do is, of course, tint your lace, and you do have to cut the lace. So let me go in, put this on, get the strap on. Put the comb in the back. I don't use the comb on the sides. All right. This is what we are looking like so far. I know the other one that I used with the box braids was a little bit big, but this one seems to be just a little bit big, but I'm just going to put that behind my ear because I don't want to cut it. Y'all already know. And there's the baby hairs. Now, like I said, when I sprayed it, I may have gotten a little bit of the spray on there, but you just take your makeup wipe and just wipe it, but who knows, okay? Who's gonna care? And then you adjust it to where you like it. Now, again, this is not the box spray. This is the one with the triangle ones. Now, and I like the fact that they give you an option. They give you, see how long these baby hairs are? You can pretty much cut them to your liking, cut them all the way off, whatever you want to do. And it does have braids all the way through, as you can see. So it's not just, you know, the top few rows. It does have braids all the way through. All right. Now for me, I don't know. Let me see. Would I leave the baby hairs? Maybe. Because I think it would just kind of hide the lace, even though I cut my lace back pretty far. But you see, by tinting the lace, and you can see I could really just do it glueless if I wanted to. I really could. All right, let's get out of this pajama top and put on us a t-shirt. We'll be back. We'll be back. All right, so we done changed our shirt. And y'all, like I told y'all, I'm into the graphite t-shirts. This one here is the King of Pop t-shirt. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Let me show you the back right quick while I'm standing up. Got the glove. And like I said, I got these on Temu. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I am in my retirement era and I am loving the graphite t-shirts. So, and I got mine pretty big. I like the oversized. So I think I got mine in an extra large. But yeah, anyway, back to the business at hand. This is what we're looking like now. Of course, baby hairs. They give you plenty of baby hairs. For me, I think it just kind of helps to, if you wanted to wear it glueless, because this is definitely glueless. You see that. And tinting the lace definitely helps. But I would probably go in, just cut them back just a little bit. It is a little bit too much for me. And so I would just cut just a little bit in the front. And yeah. Now you could definitely go in if you feeling fancy. I'm not really, like I said, when I do baby hairs, I used to just do them when I was wearing like a top knot. But I feel like you could definitely go in and customize this. Let me see, y'all. Let me see. And just maybe do you something, just a little swoop or something. Nothing crazy. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do any baby hairs, y'all. I just kind of like them being just free, Because with the other one the other one with the box braids, that's kind of what I did. Yeah. And let's see. I don't know how the up down would look with the triangles, but I mean, I guess you could. I just don't think with this one, maybe. I guess you could, but I'm trying to be honest with y'all. Let me see. Would I wear this one up with a half up, half down? See, with a half up, half down, in my opinion, with this one, I feel like it looks like a wig. But when you wear the box braid one, it's more individual versus this one. I feel like it's more laid down and it just looks like a wig. So this one, I just don't think I would. I think I would just wear it down, or maybe do a cute little headband or something like that around the perimeter if I just want to throw on a wig and go. Matter of fact, let me get a headband for y'all. Especially if you just wanted to, where your hair is just not all in your face. I just don't think I like it with the half up, half down. So I think I would go in with me a headband. This one's a little thin. I think I would even prefer the wider headbands than the thin ones. But we're going to see how this works. This one is real thin, but you could definitely go in with a thin one. I think I like it with the wider headbands. But let me pull one out. I think it'd be cute with maybe something down in the front. Yeah, I think I like that better. And just wear this like this. But I do feel like the wider headbands will be cute. But you see what I'm saying? I think I like something like this versus wearing it up and a half down, if I'm being honest, especially for the one with the triangle. But the one with the box braids, I did half up, half down. It just worked a lot better. I could even put it in a ponytail a lot better. But this one, because of the way that the braids are, the individual braids in the triangle, I think the half up, half down would really make it look like it's a wig. Okay. But you could definitely do some different bands. Hair bands. You see what I'm saying? This is cute. I think this is really, really cute. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments about this Frodio triangle braided wig. It's 24 inches. Let me stand up and let you see. This is where it's falling out. My boobs are about right here. And so they're falling about right here, right? This is my navel down here. So this is my navel right here. And this is where it's falling. So I feel like this is still would be a great vacation wig. Like I said, I just don't feel like you will be able to do a half up, half down just because of the way the braids are laying. But nonetheless, for the price point, it's a one and done. You don't have to constantly go get your hair braided, you know, 2 or 3 times, paying 2, 3, whatever they charge you now for braids. Just get you a Frodio wig. But yeah, this is cute. This is cute. And how long would this take? A few hours. Even with 2 or 3 people in your head, it will still take a few hours. This here, I think, is once you customized it, it's pretty much you're done in what, maybe 10 minutes? 10 minutes. And like I said, throw on a headband or not, whichever one you prefer. And I didn't even glue this one down. So this is just totally glueless. Definitely take it, pop it on, pop it off. If you wanted to put the combs in, you could. I only have the comb in the back, but I feel like it's snug on my head because I did the adjustable straps and it's snug. I don't feel like even a gust of wind is going to blow it off my head. Now, could it be snatched off my head? Of course, but you know, we grown. We grown. Why are we doing that? Huh? So yeah, so I will be perfectly okay with walking around with just this on my head without gluing it down. And then you could just take it off at night and, you know, put it back on in the morning. Baby, y'all, come on now. Come on now. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Is it a thumbs up, thumbs down? Leave me a comment. Give me your opinion. Swipe over a little bit. Hype up my video. And again, if you're not subscribed, why not? It's free. It costs nothing. We have fun over here. We're playing wigs. I purchased some wigs just so you can see, you know, so if you are interested in, I know Frodio is kind of popping right now because of the price point. So I'm trying a lot of them out so you don't have to. Okay, so if you haven't watched it, definitely go back and check. I will leave the links to all of my Frodio videos in the description box below, and any of the products that I do use to, you know, to secure the wig to my head. Okay, but again, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share my content, and definitely hype my video up so YouTube knows that you enjoy my videos. All right, and until next time, Kammy loves you. Mwah.
She know I've been waiting just to take it down. Yeah. I told my partner Leo, hit me when she come around, and I'ma tear that body up. Anytime she walk in, she tear the body up. Time to time again.